In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall MetaTrader 5 on Mac. Quick bit of context before we start. MT5 isn't actually a native Mac app under the hood. It typically runs through a compatibility wrapper, which is why the removal process looks a little different from a typical drag-and-drop uninstall. Don't worry though, it's still genuinely simple. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure MetaTrader 5 is fully closed before you try to remove it, since macOS won't let you delete an app that's still actively running. If a normal quit doesn't seem to be working, open the Apple menu in the top left corner, select Force Quit, find MetaTrader 5 in the list, and force it closed from there. Now head into your Applications folder, find MetaTrader 5, and you've got a few options for getting rid of it. You can drag it straight into the trash, right-click it and select Move to Trash, or simply select it and press Command and Delete together. Whichever you choose, finish up by emptying your trash, and for most people, that's genuinely all it takes to get MT5 off your Mac. Now, if you want things truly spotless with zero leftover traces, there's one more layer worth knowing about. Because MT5 runs through that compatibility wrapper I mentioned earlier, a few small support and cache files tend to stick around in your library folder even after the main app is gone. They're harmless to leave behind if you're not fussed about it. But if you'd rather have a completely clean slate, open Terminal from your Applications, then Utilities folder, and type Kill All MetaTrader 5 and hit Enter first, just to make sure nothing's quietly still running in the background. After that, you can remove the leftover cache folder by typing rmrfh/library/catches/com.codeweavers.metatrader5 and hitting Enter again. One important caution here: that command permanently deletes whatever path you give it. No confirmation, no undo, so type it exactly as shown and don't run it against any other folder you're not certain about. If Terminal isn't really your thing, there's an easier route that gets you the same results. Free menu bar utilities like App Cleaner are built specifically for this. You simply drag MetaTrader 5 into the utility before removing it, or point the tool at it afterward, and it automatically tracks down all those associated leftover files and removes them for you in one go, no typing required. And that's really the whole process. Quit the app, drag it to the trash for the basic removal, and if you want it completely spotless, either a couple of terminal commands or a free cleanup utility will finish the job. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.